Hey everybody, I got a viewer request about how to address an issue where if you've got an actor, like a text actor that has animation on it, and then you duplicate that actor, the animation gets duplicated on its own track in the sequencer, but it's not connected to the new actor. So I'm just going to show a quick fix on how to address this. So let's just pause the sequencer for a second here, and I'll delete this track just to show how we got here. And I'll delete the second actor. Okay, so here we have one text 3D actor, and if I play, it's got keyframes and everything's all set up. Wonderful. So if I select that actor and use Control D to duplicate it, I've got this second actor now. However, the animation that got duplicated isn't connected to the new actor. So it doesn't get animated. So let me just show that. I'll move this over here and I'll make sure that the second text actor has a different word. So again, and I'll make that caps. Okay, so we should see move in, and then we should see the word again, and it never came around. Okay, so to fix that, all we have to do is right click on this track that's highlighted in red and choose assign actor, and then we can assign this track to the actor that was created by the duplication. So in this case, text 3D actor 2. I could also find that really easy if I just typed in text, and I can have my filtering. Anyway, text actor 2, and now this is applied to that actor. The red goes away, and we can hit play, and we see moving again. All right, so that takes care of it. I hope this helps. Until next time, have fun.